Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Interval.
What does the dictionary say?
The totality of points on a line between two designated points or endpoints that may or may not be included. Any generalization of this to higher dimensions, as a rectangle with sides parallel to the coordinate axes.
Math rap.
An interval is often found between two values or points on a line. It's the distance between those points, like the three numbers found between 1 and 5, or the time there is between noon and 12:25.
Math rap.
Explain intervals in your own words. Interval is that time in between, like recess between classes. Anyone love recess? Name other types of intervals like recess. List 5 other everyday examples of intervals. Remember that the intervals are often more important than the two value points. For example, it's not the start and end of math class that count, it's what you do with that interval of time in between. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!